Oh, we have to descend 250 steps down.
This is my brother Nakuku.
And you are?
I'm the country.
Oh my God! Yes, is it. So this is the male and that is the female. What's up, everybody? We finally made it here after the, oh my God, the up and down and the down and then and side and left. But it's a good thing we're here finally. And you're about to see what you have never seen on my channel. Anyways, hello guys, say hello to my people.
Hello.
Yeah, what's your name?
Yeah, I'm Eugene.
It's Eugene. I'm Mr. Pakam.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Boti Falls, yeah.
Yeah. So where is this?
You are about to go to the waterfall.
Okay.
Before you get there, you have to descend 250 steps down.
Oh, we have to descend 250 steps down before we get there. No, it's not off, man. You're live.
Okay.
I tell you, descend 200. Oh man, then I'll count it. So, how long have this place been functional?
Almost, let's say, about 45 years now.
45 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
When the staircase was built by Kwame Nkrumah. That was somewhere 1975.
Oh, there's a staircase actually.
250 step staircase, yeah.
Wow. Then that's a great exercise. That means if you are heading down there, whatever you need, you should just carry and go.
Yeah.
So when you come up, you come up. All right, man. Thanks for your time. Any casualties so far?
No.
No casualty. How is the water deep?
No, not all that deep, yeah.
Okay, but there's a diver there.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Okay. Thanks for your time, man. Eugene. All right. So that was Eugene. He's a staff of the Boti Waterfall. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Mr. Pakam live here in the eastern region of Ghana. I'm currently at the Boti Falls. Boti Falls is located at the Yilo Krobo District of the eastern region of Ghana, and this waterfall has an amazing story you might never have heard of. You wanna hear? First, before we... Can you hear the sound of the water? I've never seen a waterfall in my life, and this is the first time I've seen one. But first, before we descend down to the waterfall, don't worry, you see through my lens. But before we go down there, you have to go through this step. It was built by Kwame Nkrumah, and this waterfall is over 45 years old. You have to descend through this step. It's 250 steps. I'll take you with me, you will see. I'll tell you amazing stories about the waterfall as we walk down the steps, okay? Good, stay with me, don't go nowhere. See through my lens, you know the vibe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, you know, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. No hiking, no already. Oh man, I just lost count. 70 something, 70 78, 70 78, 70 98. Oh my God. Hi there, how was the experience?
It was great. It was nice.
You liked it?
Yes, please.
Oh, where are you from?
London.
Okay, nice to meet you. Yeah, they said the experience was great. Wow, this is nice. Can you see that? They said the experience was great. I'm about to experience the great experience, you know? What's the number now? I lost the count.
142.
Are you from South Africa? Hey, Zulu Kingdom.
Yes, we are from South Africa.
Oh my
This
God.
is my brother Nakuku.
Nakuku. And you are?
I'm the thank you.
Oh my God. And you are Shikoko. Okay. I am Tom Sanga. Tom Sanga. And you are?
I am.
Oh, he said. Okay, wait. 170 something, 170 something, 170 something, 170 something, 170 something, 270, 271, 200 something, 200 something, 200 something. Oh my God! We just about to see Boti Falls, and this is the first time ever in my life I'll be seeing a waterfall because I've never gone. Wow, God, I can't believe this. This is, guys, oh shit. I feel like crying right now. I feel like crying right now. I've never seen a waterfall in this my life. Have you seen a waterfall in your life? It's kind of embarrassing to think of it, man. You know, whoa, this is beautiful. This is, oh my God. Oh my God. What is this? This is paradise. Oh man. Man, God is great. So, guys, I promise to tell you the story about this waterfall. It is believed that two rivers made this waterfall. They came together and they made this waterfall. So it's a male and a female waterfall. When you say it is a huge one and a small one. So this is the male waterfall and this is the female waterfall. That is what my sources said, and it's my first time actually seeing a waterfall in my life. I'm happy, I'm excited, and I just want to run into the water and have a blast. This is paradise, guys. Oh, goodness. Lord gracious God. Yo, hold my phone. I can't wait. I just want to dive into it. And oh my God, oh my God. Okay? Where the water is not full. So, This is it. I'm lost for words. I don't know what to say. You know, I don't fake feelings. This is it. Oh my God. So this is the male and that is the female. Guys, this isn't Listen, man, there's a vibe to this shit. There's a vibe to this shit. Bro, the water is so yellow, man. So good. Listen, guys, right now, on my channel, you want to Waterfall. That is the new mission. Waterfall on. We are inside. Hello, how are you? Nice to meet you. What is your name? Yeah, I have a YouTube channel. I'm Mr. Pakam, by the way. Mr. Pakam. Where are you from?
I'm from Ghana.
Ghana. What is the channel? What is the channel? Say it out like a man. Adderite. How do you spell it? Guys, I just met a YouTuber. He's a gamer. So I want you to subscribe to his channel to help him grow the channel as well. Yeah, so you spell it out. So A-D-U-R-T-E. Okay, that's his YouTube channel's name. So subscribe, guys. Let's push him to 100 subscribers. What do you think? All right. So I'm still around, man. Yo guys, I've been having the best time of my life in here at the Boti Falls. And at this moment, oh God, hold on, they catch me. I'm shivering, man. Woo! Woo! This is Ghana. Oh God! Wow! Woo! Man, I'm shivering. Cold right now. So, like I was saying during the beginning of this vlog, this is the male waterfall and this is the female. The male is bigger and the female is, you know, male are always muscular, broad, big, and female are tiny, and that's why it's big protection for men. Oh, I love this place. I love this place. I love this place. Wow. Even though it's sunny, man, it's too cold. Yo, it's Mr. Bakam here still. I'm still at the Boti Waterfall and I met a new friend. What's your name, bro?
My name is Yusuf.
Yusuf. And you are?
Yasa. Yasa.
Yasa. You Muslim too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. So we're still chilling. Are you living? Are you living yet? Oh, okay. How long have you been around?
Since like 12.
Is it your first time here in this waterfall? Have you been to any waterfall before?
I think it is real.
Every? It's actually the first time in my life to visit any waterfall so far.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow. Say that again. Wow. Even wow. Wow. Yeah, but I really like the feeling here, so I'll make it my mission to discover all the waterfall in Ghana. Yeah. Wow. Why again?
They want of living or finding waterfalls in Ghana.
Yeah. That. Oh, nice. So say that again.
They want to find the waterfalls in Ghana.
Yeah, I'll be finding waterfall in Ghana. That's my new mission. That's my target now, and I'll smash it all. Alright, that's your sister.
My cousin.
Your cousin. Alright. So man, I'll see you. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Guys! I am flabbergasted and I am overgasted.
A few minutes later.
I'm cold. I'm shivering. Oh! Oh my God! Guys, can you see the rainbow? So Meet added that when the two rivers meshed together, then there was rainbow, and that's a rainbow. If you don't go, how will you know? So guys, I don't know if it's just me or anyone else, but I think nature have a way of leaving you speechless. When you dig deep into nature, the amazing stuff you can find. Wow, I really love my encounter with the waterfall. This is Boti Waterfall, and it's a twin waterfall. This is the male and the female. Guys, forgive me if my voice is trembling. I'm cold. I'm really cold right now. Look at my palms. I'm cold, really, really cold. I had a wonderful time. I wish I could stay longer, but when you find yourself in a paradise like this, trust me man, it's hard for you to leave. But I must go. I must go. I must go. I must go. Because I'm cold. Alright, thanks for staying to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And see you on the next one. Until then, one love and one step at a time. Bye.